Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Warthunder or your Gaijin Net account. This is essential because the username change links to account identity. Once logged in, open your profile and click Settings. You want Account or Personal Info. Make sure your email is verified and you can receive messages, otherwise Gaijin may block changes. If you use two-factor authentication, keep your device handy so you can approve requests. These steps prevent lockouts and speed the change. Now try editing your display name directly in profile, type the new name and check availability. If the field is locked or limited, you must submit a support ticket. Include your account ID, current name, and the exact new name you want. Explain why you need the change. Clarity reduces delays. Remember Gaijin enforces rules, allowed characters, length limits, and no impersonation of staff. Once you submit, watch email for confirmation or follow-up questions. Finish by accepting any confirmation email and signing out, then back in. The client or web cache sometimes delays the update. If support denies the request, read their reply carefully and either choose a compliant alternative or supply the requested verification. That is why you provided account ID and proof earlier. If the new name still doesn't appear, clear cache or restart the game. And if problems persist beyond a few days, reopen the ticket with screenshots to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.